Truth of the matter was, stories was everything and everything was stories. Everybody told stories.
I remember I had a cat one time. He'd never been out of the house. I was watching a TV show and there was a chicken on the TV. This cat had never seen a chicken, but the chicken came on the TV and my cat, he instinctually went into a stalk mode. He just looked at it and he had never seen a chicken and he wanted to kill that thing. It was in his blood to kill that chicken. And in a small town like this, it's in your blood. You gotta either choose Jesus or choose hell. You got your choice. You know you're alive when you're sad.
Say what? She said he can spit. Open his mouth and spit. You got your mouth open. It goes in there. You dead, young. You need to let them birds go and get them out of here before he spit in your mouth, young'un. Put the guts and blood mess down in there, and the teeth, and then the eyes. But the eyes, bless God, would have to be pointing down, so that if he woke up, and he would, and come looking for you who killed him, and he would, and him being a meat-eating carnivore, he come looking for you and find you. Truth of the matter was, stories was everything and everything was stories.
You know you're alive when you're sad. was a boy, Sears Roebuck catalog, great thick thing, like that. Came to everybody's mailbox in the South. I mean, everybody. First thing that struck us was everybody in the Sears Roebuck catalog was perfect.
Wasn't any bald heads. Everybody had all the fingers that was coming to them. Nobody had any open and running sores on their bodies. But everybody we knew had a finger missing, or one eye put out from a staple glancing off a post. In other words, in our world, everybody was maimed and mutilated, whereas everybody in the Sears Roebuck world was perfect.